Welcome back to Helper. Today, we're diving into the world of GATA, a new crypto token making waves, and exploring how you can potentially acquire it. We'll be covering its association with MEXC Global, its pre-market listing, over-the-counter, OTC, options, and its connection to the BNB and BSC blockchain. Our goal is to provide a comprehensive guide to help you understand and buy GATA. ETs begin by understanding what GATA actually is. We'll define its purpose and use case, explaining its functionality within its ecosystem. Then we'll break down GATA's tokenomics, looking at its total supply, distribution model, and any burning mechanisms in place. Next, we'll examine GATA's value proposition, identifying the problems it aims to solve and its competitive advantages. Finally, we'll briefly introduce the team or project behind the token, highlighting any key accomplishments or milestones. Let's discuss GATA's presence on the Binance Smart Chain, or BSC. We will cover the benefits of utilizing the BSC, such as lower gas fees and faster transaction speeds. We will also provide the smart contract address for GATA, but remember to always verify it independently for security. EXT will delve into the MEXC Global pre-market listing. We'll explain what a pre-market listing is, including the concept and potential benefits of getting in early. Then, we'll outline how to participate in GATA's MEXC pre-market listing, detailing the steps to register and participate, along with important dates and deadlines. Crucially, we'll also cover the risks associated with pre-market listings, so you are fully informed. ETs consider buying GATA over the counter, or OTC. We will define what OTC trading is and cover both the benefits and the risks of OTC purchases. We'll also guide you on finding reputable OTC dealers for GATA, emphasizing due diligence considerations. Finally, we'll discuss secure OTC transaction practices, including the use of escrow services. Let's walk through a step-by-step guide to actually buying GATA. First, we'll cover the necessary preparation, including setting up a Binance Smart Chain compatible wallet, such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet, and acquiring BNB to pay for gas fees. Then, we'll explore buying GATA on decentralized exchanges, or DEXs, such as PancakeSwap, explaining how to connect your wallet, swap BNB for GATA, and adjust slippage and gas fee settings. After that, we'll look at buying on MEXC Global after the listing, covering how to register an account, complete KYC verification, and deposit funds for trading GATA on the spot market. Finally, we'll discuss how to securely store your GATA tokens, suggesting hardware wallets for larger holdings. For a very important section, let's cover the risks and considerations. We must emphasize that crypto investments are inherently risky due to market volatility. We'll also touch on smart contract risks, including security audits and potential vulnerabilities, as well as project risks related to team execution, roadmap delivery, and community support. Finally, we'll emphasize the importance of doing your own research, or DYOR, encouraging independent investigation. Wrap up. Let's recap the key information about GATA. We encourage you to conduct thorough research before investing. Remember to explore GATA, but invest responsibly. And importantly, this is not financial advice. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Helper.